Good morning. Good morning, good morning. This is your host, Freddy Filipino sa America Vlog, sa YouTube po, at Freddy Ligaspi sa Facebook. But before I proceed, I would like to remind that those of you who are not able to subscribe, please do now subscribe. Push the red button below, and also make some comment regarding my topic for today or for tonight there in the Philippines, and give me a big likes. Now, the first news that I got is this is urgent. Secretary, most especially to the all overseas Filipino workers there in the Middle East and in other parts of the world, even here in America, Secretary Toots Ople, the 62-year-old secretary, passed away. It's a sad news, okay, all overseas Filipino workers worldwide. Our secretary, the Department of Migrant Workers, just passed away. I'm sorry, and to the family of Secretary Ople from Bulacan, kababayan ko ito from Bulacan. Secretary Ople passed away. Please accept our condolences and prayers to the family of Secretary Toots Ople. Let's first pause for a moment of prayers for 1 minute. Okay. Now, ang ngayon po, ang topic ko po ngayong araw na ito ay tungkol sa TVJ. Binabanata na naman ang TVJ. Ang sabi daw, kaming mga vloggers binabayaran ng Tito Vic and Joey. No, we are not. We are voluntary sa TVJ kasi hinaras sila ng Tape Incorporated last May 31st when they come to report for duty, and they were told that not to be aired, their show live air. So ito ay a form of harassment. Hindi po karapat-dapat to. Kaya nakakuha ho siya ng simpatya. Ang Tito Vic and Joy nakakuha ng simpatya sa aming mga vloggers. At the same time, to many people, and that's the reason why sila po ang nananatiling number 1 undisputed leader in noontime TV show there in the Philippines. Sila ho nangunguna ang TVJ, pangalawa ang Showtime, at pangatlo ang Tape Incorporated. Pareho sila ng GMA. Naiwan sila ng TVJ. Kasi talaga naman magagaling itong si Tito Vic and Joey. And they started 1979 up to this time. Kaya yan po ay si Tito Vic and Joey. There is no, that is fake news na binabayaran daw. No. Paano lang kami mababayaran? Narito kami sa Amerika. O paano mababayaran yung mga malalaking vlogger? Kumikita na sila, bakit pa magpapabaya, di ba? So, hindi na kailangan yun. Ito ay pagsimpatya kasi inagrabyado sila. At thank you, Boss Manny Pangilinan of TV5 and the same time of PLDT for supporting, great support, especially great support, TV5, great support to TVJ. Okay? Hopefully, matatapos ng kaso nila sa Marikina Trial Court for the rightful owner of Itbulaga. Okay. Ngayon po, ngayon ang pinaka-iintay na lahat, ang Gilas Pilipinas ay looks ready now for the FIBA World Cup basketball tournament, and the winner will have the right to choose, or it is a qualifying round for the coming Olympic. Yan po ang FIBA World Cup Basketball. Diyan po sa Manila. It will start this August 25th to September 5th. Okay? Nandiyan na sila, nagdaratingan na. Ang balita ko, ang US basketball team ay darating mamaya dyan sa Pilipinas from Middle East. Sila nag-tune up sa Middle East. Okay? Kaya antayin po natin. Malaking yan. Lahat ng mga hotel dyan ay fully booked na. No? Kasi sa dami ng manonood, lahat ng mayayamang bansa ay nandyan sa Pilipinas. Okay? Saya enjoy. At meron tayong 4,000 Philippine National Police to give security. At I think walang pasok ko dyan sa Biyernes. Totoo ba yun? Walang pasok sa Biyernes. Dyan sa Metro Manila and Bulacan. Kasi dyan gaganapin. Ang opening hiyo ay gagawin ho dito sa Philippine Arena. Dyan sa Bulacan. Philippine Arena, yung pinakamalaking yung Colosseum dyan sa Pilipinas, ang Philippine Arena. Okay? So good luck ko. At marami kayong makikita paano sila maglaro ng basketball. Okay? Pati mga NBA star player nandyan ho. Sana maibigan nyo. At tangkilikin natin at suportahan ang ating Philippine team. Pero malakas talaga ang US team eh. Ewan ko kung mapapanatil nila ang kampyonato. Okay? At sana tigilan na ho natin yung pagtikolis niyo sa mga player ng Gilas Pilipinas. Tigilan natin yung tawag dito, paninira sa mga ibang player ng Gilas Pilipinas. Instead, suportahan natin yan. Okay? Dapat suportahan natin. Okay, hanggang sa muli. Ito na ang inyong lingkod, Freddy. Sana ay makita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod kong kabanata. This is Rose, Freddy Filipinos, America Vlog. Please subscribe and share this video. I hope to see you soon. Again, in God we trust, never hold your peace.